Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw funds from crypto, COM to a New Zealand bank account, as direct fiat withdrawals in NZD are not currently available. First, understand that you will need to use a local New Zealand exchange as an intermediary. This method ensures you can convert your digital assets into New Zealand dollars and transfer them to your bank. We will walk through each step to make this process clear and straightforward. Before initiating any transfer, you'll want to prepare your cryptocurrency. It's often best to convert your assets into a stable coin, such as US, or a cryptocurrency known for lower transfer fees, like XRP or XLM. Always review crypto. COM's withdrawal fees for different coins, as these can vary significantly. Also, confirm that your chosen New Zealand exchange supports the specific cryptocurrency you intend to send. This preparation helps minimize costs and ensures a smooth transaction. Next, you'll transfer your crypto to a local New Zealand exchange. First, create and verify an account with a reputable platform like Easy Crypto or Kraken. Once set up, find the deposit address for your chosen cryptocurrency on that exchange. Then, within your crypto COM app, navigate to your crypto wallet, select Withdraw and choose External Wallet. Paste the deposit address carefully, enter the amount and confirm the transfer, completing any security checks. After your cryptocurrency arrives at the local New Zealand exchange, you can sell it for New Zealand dollars. Then, link your New Zealand bank account to this exchange, a process typically involving verification. Once linked, initiate the fiat withdrawal of your NZD directly to your bank account. Be mindful that processing times can range from a few hours to several business days, and the local exchange may apply its own withdrawal fees.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.